I'm not going to say scary, but you know,
I've never seen anything like it before in my life.
When we first heard it, it sounded like it came from outer space.
He sounded totally unique. I had no idea where he was coming from.
There are just every few years the sound from a guitar, from someone who is channeling something that is so bone-chilling, so blood-healing, something that twists your molecular structure.
The songwriting was just beautiful.
Heart not only bleeding, but kind of stabbed in several places and bleeding horribly.
There was a hush when they showed up somewhere. I mean, they were really big. They were the biggest thing in Berlin.
It was extraordinary, really. As soon as he played two notes, you knew it was Rowland Howard.
Is Pank homosexual?
When I just threw a knife and it stuck in the wall next to his head, Rowland just smiled.
He started going in a different direction lyrically.
It's very barbaric. That's what animals do. They're just in the present and they have no future and they don't really care about the past.
It was a shock, you know, it was a real shock.
It was bad.
Rowland just couldn't understand what he'd done.
If you're gonna make something that is so magical, that is so unique, you're gonna pay the price. It's a devil's bargain.
I don't need religion. I've got this.
You know you probably heard her. It was the sound of